Linyi Dongtalent Plastics Company Limited is located in Linyi City, which is the logistics capital in China. It is very convenient to transport goods. The nearest port is Qingdao. We have own factory to supply many kinds of plastic ropes and nets. Our factory occupies around 9,400 square meters. We have more than 15 years experience in this area. We use the first-class virgin material to make the rope and net. With strict quality control system and advanced equipment abroad plus professional technology, our products can meet domestic industry standards and international quality management system standards, and can be certified according to customer requirements such as SGSCE certificate. Our main products now cover a full range of 3-4-8 strands PP rope, PE rope, polysteel rope, braided rope, 3-strand multifilament rope, PE twine, polyester polyolefin dual fiber rope, PP baler twine, PE net, nylon fishing net, polyester net, bird net. The rope and net are widely used in fishing, marine, aquaculture, agriculture, packing, gardening, sports, and other areas. With high quality and competitive price, our products are exported to Australia, Europeans, the South Americas, Africa, also the Middle East and Southeast Asian countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines. We are aiming to cooperate with you for longer time with stable quality and excellent service. Welcome to Linyi Dongtalent.